Vishnu is one of Hinduism's main deities. He was the first great force of the universe, and for this reason is known as Ananta, the Endless. Vishnu's origin can be found in the ancient Vedic scriptures, the oldest sacred texts of Hinduism, dating back to around 1500 BC. In these, Vishnu is portrayed as a minor god associated with the sun and space. However, it is during the post-Vedic period with the epics Mahabharata and Ramayana, as well as the Puranas, that Vishnu takes over and becomes one of the supreme deities of the Hindu pantheon. His position became solidified in the Hindu triad or Trimurti, where he is considered protector of the universe alongside Brahma, the creator, and Shiva, the destroyer. Vishnu is often depicted with 4 objects, each symbolizing an aspect of his divine power. Sankha, a shell made from the primordial ocean, which represents original existence. Chakra, his weapon, embodying the mind and being the destroyer of ego and illusions. The spinning disc Gada, symbolizing mental power and strength. And the lotus flower Padma, representing absolute truth, spiritual realization, and eternity. Vishnu is primarily considered the god of preservation. He upholds the cosmic Dharma order and protects the universe from the powers of evil and chaos. Vishnu is known for his benign nature, generosity, and compassion, and is often depicted lying or resting on the serpent Shisha, with his consort Lakshmi at his feet, while floating peacefully over the cosmic ocean, mirroring its peaceful and protective nature. Vishnu is known for his many reincarnations or avatars. These are generally understood as the different forms Vishnu has taken to restore Dharma wherever it comes under threat. Among the most famous are the fish Matsya. Vishnu transformed himself into a fish to save Manu, the first man, from the Great Flood, preserving life on Earth. The ideal prince Rama. Vishnu established Dharma through his deeds and restored justice by defeating the demon king Ravana. Krishna is perhaps the most beloved avatar, known for childish mischief and spiritual teachings in the Bhagavad Gita, part of the epic Mahabharata. And Kalki is the yet-to-be-materialized incarnation of Vishnu, who is expected to come to Earth at the conclusion of the universe's current cycle to defeat the forces of evil and restore order. We will talk in detail about all the avatars of Vishnu in an upcoming video. The god Vishnu has an essential role in Hinduism as the keeper of cosmic order and balance. His benevolent nature, unending patience, and dedication to protection, as well as his efforts to preserve creation, are qualities that impact millions of believers around the world. His various incarnations continue to influence ethics, morality, and the understanding of justice and truth in Hindu spirituality.